2007 Chevy Silverado 1500 4.8 liter. What we did on it for you guys today, still got the stock converters right there and right there. Then it comes to a factory Y pipe. Then we put a 2 1/4 to 2 1/2 tailpipe, Y pipe, and then 2 1/4 tailpipes all the way back into 3.5 inch by 18 rolled tips. One right there, one right there. And it's straight pipe duals, as you guys can see. I'll let you guys hear it in a minute. Right there, and right there. Sounds much better. Nobody likes a stock truck. They like it loud. Let you guys hear it on the inside.
There's not a single day that passes without you on my mind. Not even 1 minute can end up before you come around. I yearn for the days when I see your face here before me.